Imagine investing in a new gaming monitor that seems to meet all your requirements at first glance. But what if there are hidden drawbacks that could affect your gaming experience? Stay tuned to find out more by the end of this review. The AOC gaming monitor features a sleek yet stylish design. Its matte black plastic finish is complemented by subtle red accents, giving it a modern look. The thin bezels on 3 sides enhance its contemporary aesthetic. But does this monitor feel as premium as its competitors? Weighing 5.5 kilograms, it sits firmly and stably on your desk, offering a solid and reliable feel. The stand allows for various ergonomic adjustments, helping you find the optimal viewing position for extended gaming sessions. In terms of connectivity, this model provides 2 HDMI ports and a display port, offering flexibility for different devices. However, USB ports are missing, which could be a downside for some users. For the latest deals, check out the Amazon link in the video description. The 27-inch QHD screen delivers stunning clarity, making it a great choice for both work and gaming. The 1500R curved VA panel creates an immersive viewing experience, pulling you deeper into the action. With a 165Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time, this monitor is ideal for fast-paced, action-packed games. Adaptive sync technologies like FreeSync and G-Sync ensure a tear-free, smooth gameplay experience. The color reproduction is vivid and accurate, thanks to its 90% DCI-P3 coverage, making it a great option not just for gamers, but also for content creators. If you enjoy this type of content and don't want to miss future reviews, subscribe to our channel. So, what are the pros and cons of this monitor? Cons: no built-in speakers. OSD menu navigation can be cumbersome without a joystick. No USB ports. Limited HDR performance. Pros: excellent color reproduction. High refresh rate for smooth gameplay. Ergonomic adjustment options. Slim and modern design. The AOC gaming monitor delivers an impressive combination of display quality, performance, and design. Its outstanding color accuracy and high refresh rate make it a great choice for both gamers and content creators. The ergonomic adjustments ensure comfortable usage even during long gaming or work sessions. However, the lack of built-in speakers and inconvenient OSD navigation may be a drawback for some users. Overall, this monitor offers great value for the price and is definitely worth considering. If you want to learn more about this monitor or purchase it, check out the Amazon link in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching!